And then we say, while counter is less than, let's just say 100 this time. And don't forget, we do need to update our counter. So I'm going to use plus equal 1. So this sets the counter to its old value, initially 0, and then adds 1. So every time through this loop, it'll increase by 1. We'll print, um, I will not streak across school. Something Bart Simpson like. Okay, so I'll save, and then we'll go to run. And we got this to run 100 times to make sure that it's actually doing this 100 times. Let's print out the value of our counter variable. Okay, very good. Make sure you save each time before you run. Otherwise,